Welcome to Blockmind AI, abstracting the complexities of blockchain. First of all, why did we create Blockmind AI? This is because many individuals that are interested in blockchain technology, even including us, struggle with understanding some complexities in navigating blockchain. For example, minting NFTs, performing complex transaction cross-chain, sending tokens on the testnet and mainnet, dealing with layer 0, layer 1 interoperability, and dealing with funds getting transferred. These are all very complex terms that we have to navigate. Blockmind AI attempts to simplify the user experience by providing a user-friendly interface and step-by-step guidance to help users get started with blockchain. What are some features that our blockchain application supports that others don't? Well, first of all, we have an NFT creator studio that allows you to mint and swap NFTs on over 12 chains using announced artwork, stable diffusion, or other generated text. And finally, storing that on decentralized storage with IPFS or FEM storage. We can also send, swap, or fund tokens using MetaMask and Uniswap and different SDKs and QuickNode as well. We can audit transactions as well as deploy or create smart contracts using GPT, OpenAI, and LangChain. Finally, we also have market analysis using the Graph and Airstack, being able to run queries on different NFT and tokenized data. Finally, we have an incentive program with different ways of logging in with Google, email password, WorldCoin ID, and Polygon ID.
So this is the landing page of our app, and you can see the pricing categories down below. And when I click login, you can see the 3 different options to log in: WorldCoin, Google, or anonymously. So when I click login on the WorldCoin, I can scan the QR code with my WorldCoin app, and it'll log me in. Interface of our app, so I can ask it, help me mint an NFT, and it'll ask me for my wallet address, and then it'll give me a whole bunch of information about minting NFTs. When I click on the Learn More button, it brings me to the built-in NFT Creator Studio, and I can give it a whole bunch of information, and when I click Generate, it creates and mints this NFT for me. Some other things that we can ask it are whether or not smart contracts are safe. So like, is this safe? And I can paste a smart contract in, and then it'll tell me that it is not safe. So I can also do other things like ask it questions, like, will the price of Ethereum exceed 1 million in 3 months? And then since this is trained off of ChatGPT, it'll say that it's not able to answer that question, but we can just say that we're dissatisfied with the answer, and then it'll ask Yuma the same question, and Yuma will actually give us a satisfactory answer. Something else we can do is ask, how do I swap between different coins? So if I click Learn More, it'll bring us to the built-in Send and Swap tab in our app. So we have 3 different options. We can send tokens, swap tokens, and also buy tokens, and we support a whole range of different coins.
What are some next steps of Blockmind AI? We want to continuously enhance our app by adding more features such as staking, decentralized exchanges, and smart contract interactions, and improving our workflow for deploying smart contracts, and as well as auditing them. Auditing smart contracts is especially a very, very complex idea with no good solution, and this is something we want to expand on in Blockmind AI. We want some community integration by building a thriving community of enthusiasts using some kind of DAO network, and providing support to each other through incentive programs and mentor support. We want to improve value user feedback and incorporate user suggestions, as well as using UMA to improve our chatbot by using training. Finally, we will develop comprehensive educational resources, including tutorials, to encourage participation in the blockchain ecosystem and further the knowledge of blockchain enthusiasts in the ecosystem.